Good morning everyone. Now let me finish today exercise 3.3. Okay, as we did exercise 3.2 in our last segment, that is the location of point to find the coordinates, to find abscissa or ordinate or location of the point on graph. But here now we are given some point and we have to locate on graph paper. So see exercise 3.3. Before that, I would like to suggest you that example number 4 and example number 3 you have to solve in your graph paper. Okay, see here the points are given and here location is given, so only you have to write the question towards right side and you have to make graph towards left side of example number 3. Okay, everything is given, only you have to copy it for your better understanding. And example number 4, some different values are given in point also, so you consider it for next page. Example number 4 you have to write here, and then towards this side you have to make graph like this. Okay, you can see how I have made the graph. See, it is, you have to use the same graph paper, the green colored, not any other else. You can find that there are 10 blocks between what are written to 1 to 2, and this one is the middle one is what, half portion. So we can conclude that this is 1.5, then 2, then 2.5, 3. Same thing will be towards y-axis also, in the positive direction as well as towards the negative direction. So everyone have to use the same graph paper. If you have any notebook of graph paper including the questions also, it doesn't matter, but what the matters, what type of graph you are using here. So please use this green page graph paper. Clear? And solve example number 3 and example number 4. On the basis of this 3 and 4, I will convey example exercise 3.3. See the first question. In which quadrant, as again I explain you, quadrant means this is the part of the plane, okay, which is intersected by x-axis and y-axis, so it is called as what, quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So the question is, in which quadrant or in which axis do each of the point -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, so whatever the points are given, lie. Lie means where they are lying, झूठ बोलना नहीं. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Verification of the answer. Now verification of the answer means what? After locating, we have to indicate that in which quadrant they lie. That is what? Verification. So the first point is -2, 4. So see, -2, okay, on x-axis, clear, and see -2 and 4. So can you see -2 and 4 here? So I will indicate here. This is what? It is inconvenient to me to draw the straight line because I am holding mobile from my hand. So you draw it by skill, but I will try to do it from my hand also. So this is what? -2, 4. So do one thing. Give it alphabetical number A. Okay, A is what? -2, 4. So I will write here. The first point is what? Question number 1, I will write like this, and you have to write the same way, A -2, 4, and it is in where verification is what? Right here, second quadrant. What will write? Second quadrant. Clear? By this way you have to write second quadrant. Understand? So let's move to the next one. See, the next one is given as 3 -1. Now 3 and -1, so it is 3 and somewhere it is -1. It is just near to it, so this is the point now. Okay, you please use scale because I am finding little bit inconvenient. So it is 3 -1, give it point B. Now can you see, it is the first quadrant, second, third, and it is what? Fourth. So what will write here? B 3 -1 lies in, fourth quadrant. It is what? In fourth quadrant. So this is what? Location, and this is verification. Clear? Then comes -1, 0. Now this one is trending. -1, 0, interesting one. See, -1 is here. As I told you that if y-axis is not there, so there will be only x-axis. So this one will be -1, 0. So right here C. So the point lying on what? X-axis. Okay, so what will denote here? X-axis. It is what? Our verification. Why? Because y coordinate is 0. So therefore this point lies on X-axis. Then 1 2, a very simple one. 1 2. Okay, 1 2 means what? This is the 1 and this one is 2. Give it D. 1 2. Draw like this. 1 2. Okay, X-axis 1, y-axis 2. So simply we'll write here D 1 2. It is lying in, verification is what? It is in first quadrant. Okay, it is what? In first quadrant. Clear? So by this way we have to proceed. And the next one is -3 -5. See, -3 of x-axis and -5 of y-axis. So somewhere here, okay, let's draw it. It is -3. You please use the scale because I am holding the camera, that's why it is not possible for me. So this one, suppose E. Now we got A, then B, C, D and E. So E is what? -3 -5. So what for E? -3 -5. Can you see it is in which quadrant? Simply you can indicate that the point lying in third quadrant. Sorry, the point lying in where? Third quadrant. So clear? So by this way you have to locate the point and we have to verify our answer locating them in points. So how to do verification? Verification means what? You have just located like A. A is what? Just I am giving one example. A is what? -2 and 4. So where A lies? Verification is A lies in second quadrant. B. B is somewhere. B is what? 3 -1. So where B lies? B lies in fourth quadrant. So by this way we have to go for all the points, like D is there, okay, and E is there, -3 -5. C is there, it is -1 0. So we have to locate the point as well as we have to verify using what? Giving the names of the quadrant. So this is all about question number 1. I hope you understand, and you will more understand if you solve some more examples as I told you. Now question number 2. Once again, for question number 2, I have taken the new graph paper. I have drawn x-axis and y-axis and I have drawn their intersection points. Now simply what you have to do that, now in this question we have to plot the given points on x-axis and y-axis. Question number 2, see that, plot the points. Okay, x is given -2 and y is 8. So where x will be -2? This one. Okay, and then y is what? 8. So let's move up to here. So this is what? The first point we can write A. Okay, -2 and 8. So let me draw the line. It is plus, sorry, actually dash is there. Okay, now it is -2 and 8. So this is what? The first point, -2 and 8. See, there is no need to write plus if it is already plus, so you just rough it down. Actually, give me 1 minute. Just I am suggesting that don't write here plus, because if already the plus value is there, you just write the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. Okay, this is not minus, this is what? Plus. So these two are plus and these two are minus. So it is what? -2 8, our first location. A, -2 8, that is -2 lies on x-axis and 8 lies on y-axis. Then the next one is -1 7. So once again it is -1 and you can see 7 here. So this is what? The second point. Okay, give it B. B is what? -1 7. You can write like this, just indicate. B is what? -1 7. Clear? So we got the 2 points. First one -2 8, -1 7. Then third one is 0 -1.25. Now how to indicate? 0 -1.25. It means that 0 minus 1.25 means what? 0 minus 1.25, that is x axis 0 and y is somewhere here. So what I'll write here, this one is 0. Okay, then after minus 1, minus 1.25, take one block, one small block after minus 1, and see, take one block after what? Minus 1. It is minus 1. So you write here 0 minus 1.25 because it is on y axis. If there might be a question arises in your mind that why not here, why not here, because already see x axis 0 and then we have to consider what? Y axis. So somewhere here our point will be. Okay, you can see clearly. Then the next one is 1, 3. You can see 1 and 3. So see, it is 1 and 3. If you want to indicate, this one is suppose C. So this one is D, 1, 3. It is what? D, 1, 3. And then the last one is 3 minus 1. Okay. Now you can see minus 1 and 3. So this is what? Somewhere here it is E, and E is what? 3 minus 1. So this is what? The location. You do it along with the scale, so we'll come to know it clearly. Once again, this is what? Location of A, B, C here, minus 0 minus 1.25. Okay, if you find inconvenient, I am just writing it toward this side. Wait. Okay, I am locating this point towards this side, 0 minus 1.25. Okay, here also. Instead of C, because E is already here, so you will get confused. This is what? C. Okay, minus 1.25. Minus 1.25 means what? After 1, you just select 1 point here. Okay, make it clear, because the point graph little bit becomes difficult. So take here a point somewhere before half. So it is 0 and minus 1.25. Okay, it is minus 1. And then the last one is E. E is given as 3 minus 1. So you can write 3 minus 1. So make yourself clear, and this is what? The location of point on the graph and our chapter. So completion of the chapter is going to be done here. If you have R.D. Sharma or other reference book, you just locate some more points if you have any kind of problem. Otherwise it's enough, and solve it and send your solution via WhatsApp to this number. I will check everyone's notebook. Okay, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.